1952, Chicago. Alabama-born jazz pianist Herman Blount reinvents himself as the interplanetary mystic Sun Ra, transmuting his purported abduction to Saturn in the late 1930s into a 40-year voyage across the solar system in sound and image. 1975, Detroit. North Carolina-born former barbershop proprietor George Clinton and his funk band Parliament released the album Mothership Connection, on which Clinton assumes the on-record persona of Starchild, an alien DJ beamed down to Earth to summon his extraterrestrial brothers and sisters to the Mothership, whereupon they will return to their outer space homeland. 2007, Atlanta. Kansas City-born singer and actress Janelle Monae releases the EP Metropolis, the first part of a sprawling series chronicling the story of the android Cindy Mayweather, who fights for survival after being condemned to disassembly for the crime of falling in love with a human. What unites these disparate artists and their works? Well, their real-life voyages across America in search of creative freedom find their imaginary mirror in their on-record travels across space and time. These artists embody the spirit of Afrofuturism, a late 20th and early 21st century movement in music, art, and literature that envisions spaces, places, and possible futures, both fantastical and hyper-realistic, where the dream of Black liberation and self-determination becomes reality. Join me this summer in the Mothership Connection, Afrofuturism and Black American Music, where we will explore the cosmic paths of these and other Afrofuturist visionaries, from Afrika Bambaataa and Missy Elliott to Erykah Badu, Prince, LaBelle, Outkast, Future, Grace Jones, and more, exploring how these musicians continue to engineer potent hybrids of myth and science, merging electronics with Egyptology, sci-fi with Santeria, rapping with robotics, and on and on and on until the break of an interplanetary dawn. Hope to see you there.